Solving equations is the foundation for much of algebra and mathematics. The equations in this section are linear because the variables have an exponent of 1. Once you find your answer, you can check your work by plugging the answer back in. And just a note about our calculator, it has an enter key instead of an equals key. So on number 1, we are trying to solve the equation, and our first step is to get all of the x's onto one side. So I'm going to choose to move all of my x's to the left. So I want to subtract 9x from both sides. And this will get me negative 4x minus 2 is equal to 2. And then I'm trying to solve for this x. So I'm trying to get it by itself. So I want to add 2 to both sides. And I have negative 4x is equal to 4. And then I want to divide both sides by negative 4. And I get x is equal to negative 1. So this will be my answer. And if I want to check it, I can. All I need to do is just plug it into the equation, and if both sides are equal, then negative 1 is indeed the answer. So the left-hand side is equal to negative 7, and the right-hand side is also equal to negative 7. So that means that negative 1 is the answer.